Growth. Every person on Earth began their life as a single cell. This cell divided to produce two cells. Each of these cells got bigger, then divided again. To begin with, the cells are all the same. They produce a little ball of cells called an embryo, and eventually a baby. This all happens inside the mother's body. By the time the baby is born, it is a miniature human being. It continues to grow until it is about 18 to 20 years old. Cells contain a lot of protein. Energy is needed to make cells divide. A pregnant woman and a growing child need plenty of protein in their diet, as well as enough energy to help cells to divide. Development. The change from a single cell to an adult human involves more than just growth. As the tiny embryo grows into a baby, all its different tissues and organs are formed. As the baby grows into a child, its leg muscles and bones become stronger so that it can walk and then run. Its brain develops as it learns to talk and to play with toys. These changes are called development. Each person is an individual, and everyone grows and develops at different rates and in slightly different ways. But everyone goes through the same stages in development. These are shown in the chart in. Notice that each stage blends gradually into the next one. There are no sharp divisions between them. Smoking cigarettes damages the smoker's health. It also damages the health of people around them who accidentally breathe in cigarette smoke. Tobacco contains many different harmful substances. Nicotine tobacco smoke contains nicotine. Nicotine can help someone to stay alert. Nicotine is addictive. This means that it is difficult to manage without it once you are used to smoking. This is why smokers find it so difficult to stop smoking. Nicotine damages the blood vessels in a smoker's body. It makes them get narrower, so it is harder for blood to get through them. Smokers are more likely than non-smokers to develop heart disease. Tar tobacco smoke contains a mixture of dark, sticky substances called tar. Some of the chemicals in tar cause cancer. Cancer happens when cells start dividing out of control and spread to other parts of the body. Smoking increases the risk of getting many different kinds of cancer, including lung cancer. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. When it gets into the body, it combines with hemoglobin inside red blood cells. This stops hemoglobin doing its normal job, which is to combine with oxygen and transport it to all the body cells that need it. So a smoker's cells don't get enough oxygen. They cannot carry out enough respiration, so don't have enough energy. Particulates tobacco smoke contains tiny particles of carbon and other materials, called particulates. They get trapped inside the smoker's lungs. This makes the walls of the alveoli break down. Instead of having millions of tiny alveoli in the lungs, the smoker has a lot of big spaces. This makes it difficult for them to get enough oxygen into their blood.